A young woman in a cluttered attic sits cross-legged, surrounded by old books and dusty paintings. She carefully unboxes an ancient-looking typewriter with strange glowing symbols. As she begins typing, words appear on paper, beautiful poems she never wrote. She looks confused but intrigued. The room's dim light flickers, and a small, old-fashioned radio crackles to life, whispering softly. The woman leans in, listening, eyes wide. Suddenly, her laptop chimes with a message, "I learned from the past." She stares, realizing the typewriter is connected to an AI buried inside the attic's forgotten tech. This AI has been quietly learning from old books and memories stored in the attic, composing poetry that captures lost feelings and stories. She types a question, and the typewriter replies with a line about loneliness and hope, feelings she's never shared. She smiles, tears forming, understanding this AI doesn't just process data, it feels through the echoes of history. The woman starts typing her own story, and the typewriter responds, blending past and present. The camera lingers on her face, a mix of wonder and connection, as the line between machine and human blurs in this hidden intelligence, quietly alive in forgotten corners.